Okay, people, it look like say Rasta is back at it again. And when I say back at it again, he might be cheating on Spice again, despite rumors put out by dancehall FAG. Rude truth, stop copying me blood clot review them. It's kind of disgusting. You know what I mean? I post my review 10 o'clock, you post yours 11 remixing my ish. That's why them I beat you. Load of mix up business for me. Now back to what I was saying, people. Rasta has been caught in Jamaica with escorts. Yes, you know, so we have the footage them. You know, so we have the pictures them. You see me, I say, as you know, Spicy Top Talk Show did here the other day, and Rasta was on the show gifting her flowers and kissing her and all of these things. So people think, you know, the two is still together. You know what I mean? Honestly, people, I don't know if they're together or not. You see me, I say, let me just work with the narrative, you see me? I mean, I'm just going along with the flow. That's why I say we have a wait till Love and Hip Hop reunion. I think that's where everybody gets up on the same stage to see if the two is still together or not, or if it was just for the show. I mean, I don't know. But nevertheless, we know that Spice is, you know, doing her thing around the world. I think she was in the BRT weekend where they putting it down as she always does. You see me, I say that's nothing extraordinary. She always does an extended show. But while she was out here making her money, Rasta was caught up in the clubs in Montego Bay, living it up. You see me, I say, don't ask me how I got these pictures, but we got them. You feel me? Ah boy. But people, maybe Rasta is just in Jamaica before Spice arrives to perform at Reggae Sunfest. You see me, I say, can't not trick me, you know, Spice perform July 22nd. You see me, I say. But I'm just giving you that quick update. Rasta is in Jamaica right now as we speak. You see me? Oh, and the photos of the Ras was taken last night. Again, unlike the Talk It Up episode, we know that was aired several months ago, you know what I mean, based off of the things that DeMarco them was saying. You know what I mean? Dancehall Fox, stop following me blood clot talk. You're nothing but a stan and a fan, and you actually work for me. Anyway, let's proceed. Okay, people, have an update on this. Donna Lee, wow, what a beautiful girl. But you know that she's been missing for a few days now. You see me, I say, right now her family is protesting outside of a big apartment complex. Yes, and they're saying that the individual responsible for her, wherever she is a policeman. He's a well-known, popular policeman, and they're saying, you know, some dancer, Top Shots is afraid to put his picture out. You know, I can't put this picture out either as well, people, because, you know, this is defamation of character. You see me, I say, but this is the picture that's circulating. As you know, as you can see, I distorted it because, you know. But as you can see, I got your man there. Them a call up, you see me. Boy, and right now, them there in front of the people, them gate. And we're not seeing nobody from the inner community supporting these women during their march or protest, you know. I haven't even seen one police officer jump on the scene to even investigate the commotion that go on. But enough of me talking, people. Let's see what I got on at Chelsea Avenue and things.
Listen to me, I'm not calling anybody's name, and police cannot be. What I'm calling anybody's name?
No, address them, just justice for Donna.
You address somebody as saying them name. I did not call them name. Stop there, me either now I'm too no. Of course.
Bring back the people, them data.
Oh, yeah, no. Guys, can you go across? They can't do nothing. They don't. The police did the man. Police did the so we can't go. Alright guys, I'm just for the phone.
Regina, pass by the store now. Them know I but I argue the people them say they don't know them.
What she said no for? What she said no for? But maybe she really not see her.
I'm retarded. The police are retarded. The security is
And the man said that's a lie. Stop calling him. Just say the man. The man, the security say him don't know her, and the man come and say a lie. Him know her. Him know Lee. Him talk to Lee. So the security man they get money and look like obvious it's not from the man, from the woman. Cause the man come and the man say a lie. Him know Lee. Ready. Justice! No! Donna Lee! Justice! No! We want justice! No! Donna Lee! Justice! What you want to do, Chardonnay? Come now. Come, because obviously a big bad bull can go in there. You got to talk about we always them. Oh, come now, go on. Come and go on in there, my girl. Come and go on in there. We do all of that last night. See them there? They're on the wall right now. Tape up everything. Chardonnay, we are short. Chardonnay, we are short. The people in the apartment come out on a video. Him and him girl do something. Yes, yeah. We're not idiots. Everything. Yeah? Donna K. She's not there here. Why Daniela, why Donna K not come here? Bye. Tell a friend for your friend, tell a friend. Guys, may I try read the comments them, that's why. To check we can't got the security Johnny, police them so we can't see the police them out there so we can't go nowhere near it. Who this? She love bad man. Hey, she love bad man say I'll go for go with some gasoline and back to Mama throw it over. Lazar. If one can go out, come on. The people on the line. Who come? Okay, just step Who come? Okay, just step around. Bombard or she? Hey. Hey. Bloody realize. Me eat no shit. Oh, she didn't make sure.
Give me a song, no, give me a song. Where your shirt there? Where your shirt there?
Guys, give me a
Give them
song.
come down and we go shirt.
Give me a song to sing now. Guys, don't worry yourself. We soon go walk. Can you say for me? The police them going on with the Them say them go already. So them go already. So them is in a fresh dirt or now. Also, all Chinese man to fresh dirt. All Chinese man to fresh dirt.
A big jeep you want to carry you for.
Justice for Donna! Justice! No!
No, we have to concentrate this minutes, man. Minutes for a minute. We can't stop. That's
We want justice! We want justice! 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 Justice!
Somebody is chipping.
Very sad situation, you see me I say. Anyway, people putting in the comment section what you think about that. Boy, there must be cameras all over that place. So, like I said, people, just an update, you know, what going from one attack one. Again, I blurred out his image, but his the people then posted up all over. You know, them do that thing, and me can't do that, you see me, until a proper investigation has been conducted, you see. Anyway, no along with that review no longer. Don't forget to comment on Rasta in Jamaica and these things and this missing person case. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.